In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error 256 quickly and easily using a few simple steps that anyone can follow. This is a common issue that can stop your games from launching or downloading properly, but don't worry, we're going to walk through everything step by step so you can get back to gaming without stress. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to completely close Steam. Even if it looks closed, it might still be running in the background. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look for any processes named Steam or Steam.exe. Select each one and click End Task. This ensures Steam is fully shut down before we move on to the next steps. Now go ahead and reopen Steam. Once it launches, click on Steam in the top left corner, then go to Settings and navigate to the Download section. Here, you'll see an option called Clear Download Cache. Click on that, confirm, and Steam will restart. You'll need to sign back into your account after this step. This helps fix corrupted download data, which is a common cause of this error. Next, we're going to verify your game files. Go to your library, find the game that's giving you the error, right-click on it, and select Properties. Then click on Installed Files and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan and repair any missing or corrupted files automatically. This step is really important because broken game files are often the root of the problem. After that, let's check your storage settings. Go back into Steam settings and look for the storage section. Make sure your Steam library folder is properly set up and accessible. If there are any issues with the drive or folder, it can cause errors like this. You can also try switching to a different drive if you have one available. Finally, restart your computer. This might seem simple, but it helps reset any background issues that could be interfering with Steam. Once your system boots back up, open Steam again and try launching your game. And that's it. One of these steps should fix Steam error 256 and get everything working again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.